Hi friends, this is Jeevan. Okay friends, today we'll see about the unsolved mysteries and the mystery places and the biggest mysteries in the world. This like of two places in our world we will see. Before that, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. Before that, I want to tell the short one line of these two. Okay, will come from two. It is an city of sleep. It is an what did I say? It is an village of sleep called as no. I will tell in the video. You are going to hear. It is a street. Okay, in this street, there are some people are walking. When you are going. This is a street. Okay, in this street you are walking here, and here. That's all. They are sleeping without anything, without any. They have researched that so much things in that. Okay, this is our first, not second point. We will come to our first part. Okay, in this 5 million years under the not under the world, under the cave, there some creatures are living 5 million years. In 5 million years, it is living without ice, and there is an water like an acidic water, acid water in that cave. We will see so much things about these two. Before that, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. Okay friends, today we will see about the top two mysteries in the world. Okay, in that the first it is the mobile cave. In this mobile cave, some workers are there, and simply they are like what did I say? Like explanation. We are simply this like doing just like they have cleaned that, digging that, and there is a hole, biggest hole, not biggest. I think I don't know the length of this hole. Before that, it is a discrimination. I don't know anything about this, and any video I tell anything wrong, please forgive me. This is something for copyright or anything. Okay, before that we will see this and we will go to our second part. These two parts are, and we will see in our next video the mystery of mother of mystery. We will tell how can you tell all the thing we will see in our next video. Okay, under the cave without ice, some species are living here. Different species without ice. There is an they have adapted to this kind of situation, and they have long legs. They have long antenna. Like here, there are some instance are like this. For that is all gone. I will keep it the photos here. Okay, this is our mystery places in the world part 1. Part 2 it is. I am taking this news from Wikipedia and I will put its cities here. Okay, we are going to that city. We have a friend there. Without you don't know you are coming, you are going there, and you have gone there and you are walking in the street and you suddenly fall down. Okay, after get upping, why I am here? You are seeing that it is a town of sleep called as. There is an 50 of the population is sleeping here. There is an of people of this country, not east country, this town of people of this country. They are sleeping in this street, not in this street, in this village. They have tested the air, the water, and so much things they are tested, and also why it is the top researchers also could not find why it is. This is an top 2 mysteries in the world. Before that, before ending our video, I want to tell one thing for you. It is in our next video we will see the mother of mystery. Okay, the mother of mystery will see in our next video. Until then, bye from Jeevan. Okay, bye.